Next time you want to make salmon, make this recipe. It's so easy to make and so delicious and full of flavor. To 4 tablespoons of melted butter, I added onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper, paprika, Lorry seasoned salt, adobo, fresh parsley, the juice of half a lemon, and gave that a good mix. Then I rinsed and pat dried the salmon on both sides. I poured that delicious marinade that I made over the salmon on both sides. Make sure you rub it in. Then I put the salmon on a sheet lined with parchment paper. For the vegetables, I decided to add a broccoli and cherry tomatoes. You can add any vegetables you want. I drizzled it with some olive oil, sprinkled it with some black pepper and salt, gave that a mix, and put it in a tray with the salmon. I put some lemon slices on top, put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes depending on the size of your salmon, and that was it. Some delicious and easy oven baked salmon.